So many different industries. Everybody is always looking for someone that has communications background, someone that can write a press release for them, someone that can write an article for them or a web story, someone that can interview people or just communicate with them in ways that everybody isn't equipped with.
I was a commuter, so I came to campus and I also took classes online. It gave me the options that I needed in order to complete my degree in 4 years. The communications department here at ODU can give you a better sense of where you want to go. It'll allow you to dabble in a little bit of everything so that you have a better understanding of the whole world.
Being in the radio station every day here, being in the news station every day, experience with the camera, be able to go out and create stories as a reporter, it gave me the opportunities to be able to come out as a multimedia journalist.
I can adjust when I'm in situations that aren't favorable, aren't easy to be in, because I've learned that there are different ways to communicate.
It's amazing to see the creativity that the people have, and that just pushes you to do what you want to do.
I know every person who I've worked with in the communications department is a leader. They're inspired, they're motivated, and that's really what you need.
Have people in high positions in music. We have people in high positions in magazine writing. We have people in high positions or working their way up through the businesses of their respective industries all throughout the country, and it's just amazing to see every time. The one thing that Old Dominion alums have is pride.
From what I've seen, I'm amazed. I think it's great. I wish it was here when I was here. And the students have an excellent opportunity, good hands-on opportunities with professional faculty and staff that have done it and want to help them do it.
ODU is going to not only meet the students where they are, but they're going to take them to the next level moving forward after they graduate.